think it's not changed much. I thought I was done with JDGA, but the nervousness continues. So firstly, a very good morning to all the dignitaries, dear mentors, and my fellow juniors. It's quite a pleasure to be here standing in front of you to share my creative experiences. To begin with, my professional journey from corporate to interior designing has been quite a fun plot. So I started my career as into data analytics and science from one of the big fours, Ernst & Young. I've always been proud of it, but never truly happy. So finally, I mustered the courage to quit and pursue my master's, and that's when I happened to reach JD. And today I stand here in front of you as an interior designer, furniture designer, as a professional permanent teacher, as well as an events planner. And I must admit, I definitely overdo, and I believe that JD School of Design has played a pivotal role in this. In many experiences that I have received from the in-house exhibitions, the semester projects, from my site visits, and of course the many people that I have met here, it has all been, it has all given me such a good experience and helped me in shaping my career, and that is how I am here today. And I still remember the day of unveiling the theme for the class of 2023. And now when I look at all my juniors, I'm pretty sure that there's going to be two kinds of reactions. The first category of students, the moment you hear your theme, you're going to be happy, excited, you're motivated, and you know that you've got this game. But then there's going to be a second category of students, second kind of reaction. They're going to be like, bro, what bro? Why? Who even comes up with this? And where am I even going to start? And trust me, both the reactions are genuine signs of positive outcomes. And I think from all the previous speakers and myself, you know that we all belong to the second category. So yeah, so it started out with the question mark of why this, why Tribute, and who came up with this. But then, yes, it all pans out. So this was a model that I had exhibited during the JDA Design Awards. So a little bit more about Sakura Foldscape. It is basically a cafe, a pop-up cafe, and a store that was designed for the brand Yokomoku, which is a Japanese sweet shop. Now I wanted to design something which is, I was drawn to the idea of something which is more functional as well as flexible, and I wanted to design something that is ever changing with its environment, because nowadays businesses are very dynamic and you have to have a design that copes with those kind of changes. So I first started with the research into modular systems and understanding how different components can actually be put together, played around, and reconfigured into something that you have on your mind. I then explored a lot of materials in terms of something which is more durable as well as sustainable and eco-conscious. And then I started sketching and modeling the kind of space that I had envisioned. Of course, all of this with the guidance of the mentors and the teachers. Start early, but not too early. So start early enough so that you can avoid the panic that I have and the hassle that happens, but not so early that within 2 weeks of time you're done with your project and you don't have anything creative to put in. Right? So second, choose wisely. I know there are a lot of geniuses sitting here and you will have crazy ideas hitting you, but our planet Earth is not ready to have a cafe design on the moon. Right? So choose a topic which is doable and which is practical. And then plan. So this is an important one. Make a plan, buy out your plan, learn every step of it, and then throw it away. Because your perfect plan is not going to work. Learn to adapt, learn to improvise, and learn to tackle any challenge that comes that is thrown at your face. So once again, thank you for having me here and allowing me to express my insights.